All right, would you please state your first name?
Jason.
All right, Jason. What symptoms first brought you to Palmetto Physical Medicine?
My upper left and right shoulder and my upper back and my
Okay.
neck.
Well, what kind of symptoms were you dealing with?
Just stabbing pain every time I try to lift or steer or turn my arms at all. I would just be in excruciating pain.
Okay. How long was that going on for?
It's been going on for about 3 to 4 months.
Okay. How severe were the symptoms when you first came in using our little pain scale 0 to 10?
Worst, it would probably be about a 5, 6, and sometimes the lowest would be like a 1.
Okay. So always dealing with a little bit of something, never really truly went away.
Mhm.
Okay. How was your problem affecting your life day to day?
It just make little things more challenging. Even steering the car would be a bit of a challenge. Lifting things, climbing, my work involves a lot of that, so it just make daily tasks more difficult.
Okay. What services did you get when you started treatment with Palmetto?
I got chiropractics, trigger shot injections, physical therapy, ultrasound therapy, and they all seem to work very well.
Outstanding. What was your experience like here at PPM?
Everybody's really nice, inviting. Never had to wait more than a couple of minutes in between services, and everything has just been perfect.
Outstanding. Well, how has this changed your life since you came here?
I feel a lot better. I sleep a lot better, and work is a lot less painful.
Right. Now, would you recommend Palmetto Physical Medicine to your friends and family?
Definitely.
Outstanding. All right. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. There we go, Jason. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that.
Thank you.
I will drop you by Hannah just in case we got something else going on today, but I think you're good for the day.
Also, you guys already filed everything with the MedCred, right? I didn't need to bring the card up here.